Welcome back to School for You. Today we're going to have a different lesson. It's going to be a bit different because it's going to be for those who don't know how to use Google Drive. If you know, I don't know if you will want to watch this video, but if you don't be ashamed. Many people don't know how to use Google Drive. Let's go. So what I want you to do, I want you to go to your favorite browser. It can be Google Chrome probably. And I want you to type Google Drive, and you'll want to go. Let's just type Google Drive and go to the first website that pops up, Cloud Storage for Work and Home Google Drive. Let's click on that, and you'll see that if you don't have a Google account, please make one. If you don't know how to make a Google account, I'll link in the description website that Google's website how to do that. After you've done that, come to this website, to the Google Drive website, and you'll see this. And I want you to click on Go to Drive, and you'll need to go to sign in into your account. And when you signed in, you'll see this thing. Okay, so wow, this is pretty. You don't know what to do. You don't have all of this. This is my files. But it's censored. But you don't have any files yet. So how do we make files? What is this user interface? Everything will be explained shortly. So on your right side, you will see those icons. You will see this icon, Tasks, Google Tasks. If you use Google Tasks, all your tasks will appear in here. If you use Google Keep, which is just notes, you'll have here. And if you use Google Calendar, you'll have your calendar in here, which is pretty handy. The plus icon, you can go to the G Suite Marketplace, which is basically apps, like the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you can download apps like those from there. We don't need it for now. And okay. On your left side, you'll have My Drive, Shared with Me, Recent, and Start, and Trash. Now, My Drive is where all of your files will appear. Okay. I have this icon in here, this triangle, because I have folders. You don't have it yet. Shared with Me basically means if somebody sent you a link with a file that was on Google Drive, it will appear here. If you have recent files that you just opened. Start, you don't have ones yet. I don't have them too. And Trash is things you threw away, files you threw away. Now, you have a storage in here. What is storage? Basically, you don't store all of those files on your computer. You store them on the cloud. The cloud basically means on Google's computers, okay? And you have 15 gigabytes in there, which doesn't seem like a lot, but if you only wanted to use to like upload images and stuff like that, it will be fine. If you want to buy more storage, just click in here and it will prompt you to another website to buy more storage. You can buy up to 2 terabytes, which is a lot. Like most of the people don't have that much space in their computer, on their own computer. As you can see, I used 2.6 gigabytes of 15 gigabytes out of 15 gigabytes. You didn't use anything yet. And the cool thing about Google Drive is that you can upload any file you want, okay? Anything, a 3D object, an image, anything, probably. This is and it's real cool. If you want to upload images, you better use Google Photos, which has unlimited storage, and I think it's much better for photos. And it's pretty much the same, just for photos, only photos. And the cool thing, you can access your files from anywhere. This is the benefit of using Drive. Now, how do we upload our images to here? So let's click on the new icon. We have folder, file upload, folder upload, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Forms, and more. We'll talk about all of that. Folder means that we can create a folder. Let's name our folder Test Lesson Test, and hit create. Now we have this folder appeared in here in the folders. Just click on that and you're now inside your folder. As you can see, it tells us you're in my drive. Now you're inside my drive, you're in lesson test, or however you called it. Now let's click on the new icon. And we have file upload and folder upload. The difference is that in file upload, you can upload only one file, and in folder upload, you can upload a whole folder of a lot of files. Let's just demonstrate it. I'll take a photo. Let's take a photo of this charger. And let's use this photo. It's uploading. As you can see, I now have it in the Google Drive. And I'll open the drive on my phone, and you will see that it will now appear there. Okay, so let me just show you. Now you'll not have this. This is my iPad. This is much different. Here is my phone, and as you can see, this is my phone. Let's go to lesson test, and we have our image in here. Cool, right? Okay, so let's click on new, and we already figured out what is folder, file upload, and folder upload. But what is Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms? Now basically, Google Docs is like Microsoft Word. It's exactly like that, but the free alternative. And it's really, really good because you can access it from anywhere. It's true, you can access Microsoft Word from anywhere, not the program itself, but the files with Microsoft's cloud service, which is OneDrive. I don't remember how it's called. It doesn't matter, but it does the same thing. But Word costs money, and where this doesn't, and it's a pretty good alternative. You have Google Sheets, which is another alternative to Microsoft Excel. Slides is an alternative to Microsoft PowerPoint, which makes slides, a slideshow. Now Google Forms will show you what that is, because I don't think Microsoft has an alternative for that. The cool thing about Drive is that, as I said, you can upload any file that you want. So you can actually upload Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Excel files into here and edit them in Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. Let's actually explore what is Google Forms. Let's click on that. And Google Forms is basically making a form. You're going to ask questions and then send a link to your form, and then people can answer it, and you can see statistics in the responses. Let's call it what time of day do you like? What time of the day do you like? And untitled question, let's just write here. Copy that. As you can see, we can do that, all of that in an iPad. You don't need a computer for that. Let's say morning, evening. As you can see, it even suggests what I want. And it already wrote everything for me. Morning, afternoon, and evening. And we can select, right now it's multiple choice. So you can select only one answer, but you can make it a check boxes. So you can select multiple answers and make it a drop down, which is a list basically. And you can make them your students, for example, upload a file. For example, their picture in here, and you'll see all of their pictures. You can have linear scale from 1 to 5. What, for example, oh, we deleted that. Okay, that is not good. As you can see, it's really versatile and it's really cool. Yeah, okay, great, it filled it out. Or you can even add other if they don't like neither morning or afternoon or evening. And let's make this required. And you can even add a picture in here, or a video from YouTube, or text, or upload a file. Really cool. And what we can do now, we can call this what time of the day do you like. And let's even color it in a special color. Just click on the color palette. Let's choose an image, for example. Insert. And I liked it. Okay, this looks good. And what we can do now, as you can see, it created a beautiful form in just a couple of minutes, a minute maybe. And you can do it a bit even faster, I believe. To exit, we can just click on this icon and it will exit. And let's go to lesson test, and we'll have it right here. What time of the day do you like? And we can just click send on this clip here and click on copy, and we can copy it. Let's go to Google, paste it, and we can answer I like the morning, or I don't like other. And let's say I don't know, night. Oh, we should have added night. Submit. And let's go to here, responses. And we have a night, individual night, as you can see. What question we can see that he answered. We can see even a graph, pie graph. Now, we have more stuff. We have Google Drawings, Google My Maps, Google Sites, which you can create a website, which I have, Google Collaboratory, Google Apps Script, Google Jamboard. And Google Collaboratory is super cool. I used it, real cool. You can make some experiments with it. Maybe I'll show you in the next time. And yeah, I think we covered everything. Let me know in the comments if you want to know more.